Hello everyone, today we will do exercise 6.1. So let us take question number B1. So let us draw the figure. So this is the figure given to us, A, B, then C, D, and O here E. So what are things we are given here? Let us write down first of all. We are given here AB and CD intersect at O. So we will write AB and CD intersect at O. Next it is said AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degree. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to given 70 degree. Okay, next we are given BOD equal to 40 degree. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. We are asked to find BOE, so we are asked to find, we will write here, to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So this is what we are asked to find from this figure. So since AB and CD are intersecting each other, the vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is 40, this will also be 40. We will write here angle BOD is equal to angle AOC is equal to 40 degree because they are vertically opposite angles. Now these two together it is given 70 degree. So we will write angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. This is what is given to us. Now we have found that AOC is 40 degree. AOC equal to 40 degree. So in place of AOC we will write here 40 degree plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. So from here we can see that angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40. 70 degree minus 40 degree. That is equal to 30 degree. Okay, we have found BOE, that is 30 degree. Now what we have to find is, we are asked to find BOE, that is already found, and also reflex of COE. So for that we have to find angle COE. So we will take here, since angle AOB is a line, AOB will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. So let us do the remaining part. Now we will take, since AOB is 180 degree, we will take angle AOC plus COE plus BOE equal to 180 degree. Angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. You can write here, since AOB is a line. AOB is a line. Next, we know what is AOC. AOC is 40 degree. So 40 degree plus COE, we have to find out COE plus BOE. BOE is 30 degree. So that is equal to 180 degree. Now COE plus 40 plus 30 will give us 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. So we will say from here angle COE is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So that is equal to, if you subtract, we'll get 0 minus 0, 8 minus 7, 1, and here 1. So 110 degree. So we'll say therefore reflex angle COE. So we know that reflex angle is less than 360 degree. 180 to 360 degrees. So reflex COE will be 360 degree minus the value of COE, that is 110 degree. So we will get here 250 degree. Now let us go to the next question. Let us do B5. So we are given the figure here. Given the line PQ, then S here, and ray OR. This is OR is ray here. So it is said POQ is a line. So what are the things were given here? Given POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Then it is said ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. So OR is perpendicular to PQ. Then it is said, okay, OS is another ray line between ray OP and OR. We have to prove that. So to prove, we have to prove angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So we have to prove it. So let us prove. So first of all, you can see OR is perpendicular to PQ. So we can say angle POR equal to QOR equal to 90 degree. So reason you already know, OR is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, then we will say angle POS plus ROS equal to POR. So first of all, let us take this from here. We get angle POR is equal to 90 degree. Now POR is the addition of two angles here, these two angles. So in place of POR, we can write here angle POS plus angle ROS equal to 90 degree. So from here we will find ROS. ROS equal to 90 degree minus angle POS. So this we will let us take it as equation 1. We will take it as equation 1. Okay, let me write it properly here. That is angle ROS equal to 90 degree minus angle POS. So this will be our equation 1. Next we will take angle QOS minus angle ROS will give us QOR. So we will say angle QOS minus angle ROS is equal to angle QOR. You can look at the figure there. Now what about ROS? So now we have angle QOS minus, this will come this side, angle QOR is equal to angle ROS. So now angle QOS minus, now what is QOR? We know that angle QOR is a right angle, it is 90 degree. So in place of QOR we will write 90 degree equal to angle ROS. Okay, let us do the remaining part. So we got now angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus 90 degree. This will be our equation 2. Now let us add both the equation. So adding equation 1 and 2. We will add both the equation. So in the first equation we had angle ROS, then with that we will add again angle ROS. Whatever is on the left hand side, we will add it together, equal to. Now what we write is, on the right hand side whatever we have, that is 90 degree minus angle POS, plus here from here we have QOS minus 90 degree. Now there are 2 ROS, we will write here 2 angle ROS equal to. Now see, 90 degree minus 90 degree will get cancelled. So what you are getting is QOS is positive, angle QOS, then POS is negative, so minus angle POS. Now we will say angle ROS equal to. So angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Now these two will come over here, divided by 2. So we will say therefore angle ROS is equal to, see, dividing by 2 means half. So half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So it is proved. So hence proved. So this much for today. In our next video, we will do exercise 6.2. So have a nice time. Thank you.